Control4 is 10 years old. So if you can think back to 11 years ago, what was it like? What was your business like? What was the environment like? What was happening in new construction? Where was your competition from? What was going on 11 years ago?
11 years ago, we weren't even in business because, I was a software guy and was doing consulting and then sold software business. So this, like I mentioned earlier, we saw a convergence. I didn't want to build another software company, and my business partner and I, we grew up, built speakers in high school, and never was a real audio video guy in terms of a career, but always loved that gadgetry. And being a computer guy then as well, and a network person, and somebody that's taking some complex stuff and solve problems, we saw an opportunity here to
So
make things
Control4
work.
got you into the business?
Well, we became a system integrator, and then fortunately we found what Will and Eric and company were talking about as a configured solution, which I think is a huge leap forward.
Dennis and Scott, you've been in the industry for a while. Your business was higher end, and so when Control4 came around, it allowed you to tap a larger market.
Yeah, it allowed us to tap a larger market. Obviously, we weren't doing the large-scale integrations with the product at the beginning, but it allowed us to get into some more, just sub-$100,000 projects and get in and get out quicker and make some money at it. But it was also a product, when I first was introduced to it, I thought, okay, finally somebody gets it. We're dealing with an IP-based solution now. They understand the user interface, they understand the simplicity the customer's looking for, and that's really what I've been looking for.
I was putting these systems in going, ouch, this is painful and complex and onerous, and do I really want to do this?
You had a good line earlier.
Which will help me.
There's a bit programming the other systems. Your hair was going the way of Will's.
Thank you. Indeed, I didn't want to go there. So
Low maintenance, I'm telling you.
Streamline.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, Aaron and I actually have kind of a fun story because he and I worked at a large home furnishings company in St. George. That's where we met. Aaron actually worked for an integration company and then did car audio as well and started that. So he was kind of like, he's always been the technical, hands-on, I can do it, I can build it, I can make it kind of our company. And I've always kind of been the sales guy, I'm the front man and I meet with, and do all that. And we started together just kind of selling AV through that store, and gradually kind of got larger and larger projects, and eventually it got to the point where he and I both agreed that if we were ever going to get anywhere and really do what we wanted to do and really, satisfy the vision that we had, we need to go out and start our own thing. And it was great because we found Control4 really early on. We knew that we needed an automation product that we could sell and support that would do the things that we were hoping to do, and that's why, it was like that CD, and we went and met with Ernie, met with Eric and all the guys at Control4. And they're looking at it, he and I both, and they're like, this is it.
Right then, that was the solution right there.
Yeah, it's like, this is it. Because he's like, this is not, it's not going to cost as much as what our competitors have to sell.
And I'm
It's
sure
not
you
gonna
learned
take
that
as
from
long.
the ads as well.
Absolutely.